Hello everybody. In the last video we created this new custom service for creating t-shirt orders layer to it, which basically optimizes it for use by an AI agent. This is something I've learned from experience from having built well over 100 OpenAI plugins at this point, and I wanted to introduce that concept in this to kind of show you how Poly can help you build custom tailored services for AI. So I'll go ahead and close the agent as we won't be using it. The main difference is that similar to the concept of Hadios in REST, where you basically provide a set of links back to the original client so that it knows what it can do next, it's kind of the same concept where you basically want to return AI optimized responses for it. Now that consists of a few different examples. So one first example I'd like to do is to basically introduce a set of instructions. So for example here, maybe we keep the interface of the t-shirt order the same. However, we introduce a new interface for basically, let's say, t-shirt order, but let's do it AI. And what this interface is going to do is it's basically going to have the t-shirt order in it. So we're going to have something like, let's say, t-shirt order, and that's going to be of type t-shirt order. And that's basically this object below, but we'll also introduce a message for AI agent, and this is going to be a string. And so in addition to this kind of concept of providing it a set of instructions, you additionally want to probably rename custom elements if they're necessary. So, you know, if any of these don't seem intuitive, if they're too much representative of the backend systems, and you think that an AI agent won't implicitly understand what they are, I like to use little tricks like, for example, you know, a search term in English, you know, things like that, that basically help the AI kind of understand more explicitly what something is. Like a number of adults, things like that are really, really helpful for the AI to have a good interpretation. So it is going to know the schema because Poly is going to publish all of this to the AI agent, and I'll show you that in just in a future video. But for now, we'll go ahead and just introduce this notion of a message for the AI agent. So here, we do need to kind of make some modifications here. So I'll go ahead and copy this, and we'll actually make the return type that. And then down here, we'll still have the t-shirt confirmation be that return type, but we'll go ahead and do the following. We'll go ahead and basically just say that we return actually an object, and this object has a message for AI, and that's going to be something like order was successfully created. Thank the customer for their business, and let them know they can reach out at, let's say, you know, area code 123-1122, right? So hopefully that's not somebody's real phone number. And then we basically go ahead and include the t-shirt confirmation, which is an object. Let's see. Yeah, and then for that, we basically just need to address it by its attribute name. So we'll go ahead and do something like this. Okay, and then go ahead and do this and hit save. So now I'm going to go ahead and, actually we have one more error somewhere. Let's see where it is. Okay, I am missing, I'm missing my closing brackets. Cool. So now I can go ahead and redeploy this custom function. Okay, great. And I do need to update my test function because we have changed the response type. So for that, I do need to do an npx poly generate. This will regenerate our library to take into account the new schema changes. Let me go ahead and move myself out of the way here so we can better see. Okay, great. And let's close this definition file. So we can see now it's complaining that this doesn't exist on the return type. So let's go ahead and update these real quick. So we have the message for AI, we have the t-shirt order. I'm going to go ahead and actually just log the whole response. And then let's go ahead and hit save and let's run this. Okay, so you can see that we have a message for AI, which is now included as part of the response. So some best practices here are, again, just to summarize, name your interface extremely literally, and I mean it like extremely literal naming convention. Include a message for the AI agent to know what to do with this response. If there is an error, make sure you ask the AI agent to go collect additional information. So for example, if something wasn't provided or something was malstructured, you want to kick that back to the AI agent. And this basically allows it to understand kind of what you're doing or what your service expects at runtime. Additionally, you can do things like, in the message, specify what you made as assumptions or what you defaulted values to. And so this is all super helpful for it to basically be able to know how to adapt if something's not going right, or know how to recommend the next step for the user who's using the AI agent to do. So there's a lot of flexibility here. You're not just having a conversation with the user, but you're also having a kind of a side conversation with the AI agent to better serve the user. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video where we use this service to generate a AI agent.